Hello everyone, it's Harry Sherrard here and welcome to video number 4 of my foundation course in employment law. Now in video number 3 we looked at discrimination and the 9 protected characteristics. I'm going to carry on with that topic and look in particular at age and disability discrimination. Now I explained in video number 3 that it's unlawful to take any detrimental action against an employee on the grounds of one of the 9 protected characteristics. But there are a couple of exceptions, and age and disability discrimination both have the concept of objective justification. So how it might work is like this. I mentioned in video number 2 that if an employee falls ill and is not able to perform work, then the employer has a fair reason, capability to dismiss that person. The employee at the same time might also have a disability, but if the employee cannot perform the work, then although dismissing them is an adverse act and disability discrimination, that would potentially be objectively justified. And it has to work that way because otherwise employers would be caught in an unending cycle. They would never be able to bring the employment to an end if they would always be facing a disability discrimination case. Similarly with age, even more difficult potentially, but in the situation where an employee gets older, doesn't perform the role to the required standards, the employer might bring a capability process with a view to terminating employment. The employee might say, well, I agree I've slowed down, I agree that my performance isn't where it used to be, but that's because I'm old. If you dismiss me, that will be age discrimination. Well, again, in that situation, the employer potentially can objectively justify what would otherwise be age discrimination. And that objective justification in both cases would be, in simple terms, although it's a complex point obviously, that the employee is no longer able to perform the job either at all or to the required standard. So none of those are easy issues to deal with in the workplace, of course, and take a lot of careful consideration before you'd go down any of those paths. So I hope you found that helpful. Lots more topics still to come, more videos coming up over the next days and weeks, and I look forward to speaking with you again next time.